Accessing Wells Fargo ATM without a debit card.
Hello viewers, today we are going to guide you on how to access a Wells Fargo ATM without a debit card. This is particularly handy when you've misplaced your card or left it at home. The good news is, it's a simple process that involves using the Wells Fargo Mobile App to get a card-free ATM access code. Let's delve right in.
What you will need.
First things first, in order to use this feature, you need to have a Wells Fargo account, the Wells Fargo Mobile App installed on your smartphone. Remember, the Wells Fargo Mobile App is compatible with both iOS and Android devices, and it's downloadable from their respective app stores. Make sure your app is up to date to access all the latest features.
How to generate a card-free ATM access code.
Now let's get into the step-by-step process. 1. Log into the Wells Fargo Mobile App on your smartphone. 2. From the menu, select Card-Free ATM Access under the Accounts tab. 3. Click on Get Code. This will generate an 8-digit one-time use access code. This code will enable you to use the ATM card-free. It's important to note that each code is only valid for 30 minutes.
Using the code at a Wells Fargo ATM.
With your one-time use code generated, here's how to use it at a Wells Fargo ATM. 1. Approach a Wells Fargo ATM. 2. Tap Card Free on the ATM welcome screen. 3. You will then be prompted to input the 8-digit code and your usual ATM PIN. After this, you can use the ATM just like you would with a card. This includes withdrawals, deposits, transferring money, and checking account balances. So, there you have it. A comprehensive guide on how to access a Wells Fargo ATM without your debit card. We hope this tutorial has been helpful, and remember, it's always a good idea to have the Wells Fargo mobile app handy for times when you might need card-free access. Stay safe and remember, banking can be easy with the right tools at your disposal.